Dealing with ants in your bathroom can be a real pain, especially when there's no obvious trail to figure out where they're coming from. You clean, they show up again. You block one area and they find another. It's like they're playing some kind of sneaky hide-and-seek game. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities. But don't worry, there are straightforward ways to kick them out for good. Number 1, start with cleaning. Not just the usual wipe down, but a deep clean. Scrub between the tiles, behind the toilet, and under the sink. Use a mix of baking soda and water to get rid of grime and any food particles that might be attracting them. Oh, and don't forget to empty the trash regularly and keep the drains clear of buildup. Number 2, control the humidity. Ants love damp spaces, so don't give them what they want. If your bathroom fan isn't doing its job, grab a small dehumidifier or use moisture-absorbing pouches in damp corners. Keeping things dry makes your bathroom way less appealing to these little intruders. Number 3, go natural with remedies like vinegar sprays or essential oils. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water and spray it along windowsills, baseboards, and any other spots ants might sneak in. If vinegar isn't your style, try peppermint oil or cinnamon. Not only do these keep ants away, but your bathroom will smell fresh too. Number 4, seal those entry points. Check for cracks around windows, doors, or plumbing fixtures, anywhere ants could be slipping through. Use silicone caulk to seal them up tight. Door sweeps can also help block gaps under doors where ants might crawl in. Number 5, use ant baits strategically. Place them in hidden spots like under the sink or near the toilet. These baits attract ants, which carry the poison back to their colony. Be patient. This method takes time, but works well to get rid of entire colonies. Number 6, if nothing works, call in the pros. Sometimes DIY just isn't enough, and you need an expert who knows how to identify the specific type of ant and use targeted treatments. Number 7, experiment with essential oils like tea tree or lemon oil. A few drops mixed with water in a spray bottle can work wonders. Spray it in areas where ants show up, and enjoy a bathroom that smells amazing while staying ant-free. For more help or to connect with pest control experts who know what they're doing, head over to bighomeprojects.com. Whether you're tired of dealing with ants yourself or just need advice on sealing cracks and leaks, we make it easy to find trusted professionals in your area. Check it out today.